In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone speakers muffled or not working. There are a couple of immediate fixes. There are also fixes for no sound and if also the problem persists. So when it comes to immediate fixes, gently use a clean, dry, small bristled brush to remove debris from the speaker or receiver grills. Also, try to take off any protective cases or screen films that may block sound. Also, you can simply try to head into your settings and then simply head into sounds and haptics. So let me just go ahead and take you there. And now inside of sound and haptics, toggle the change with button option if you have to. Also, ensure that sound is not playing through a connected Bluetooth device or AirPlay and that the phone is not stuck in headphone mode. If there is no sound at all, then ensure that the ring or silent switch on the side does not show orange and turn off the do not disturb in the control center. Also, try to perform a force restart, which is done by pressing and releasing the volume up and then pressing and releasing the volume down, then holding the side power button until the Apple logo appears. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.